For making this simple circuit, you need one breadboard, one battery of 9 volt, one LED, any color, 2 legs micro switch, some jumper wires, and 1K resistor. This is a circuit which I have made on the paper. Like this is a circuit design. Like this, the simple circuit will made on the breadboard. The positive end of the wire is connect to the switch and then goes to resistor and directly goes to LED. LED is positive end. Then the negative end of the battery will directly connect to negative end of the LED. Like this, we will make the simple circuit. Now let's make it. First you take breadboard. Then then take that switch. You have to put the switch to the any hole. Like this you have to connect it. Then take a LED resistor. Put it anywhere. Then take LED. I have taken a red LED. You can take any other color. You have to see that the long end of the LED is positive and small end is negative. The long end will connect to the resistor and small end will directly connect to the negative end. Now take jumper wires. You have to connect LED's negative end to the negative point of the battery. Like this. Then take the other jumper wire and connect it with the one end with the switch and one end with the positive end. Then take other last jumper wire and connect it one end with the switch and other with resistor. Like this, the circuit is made. Now take that 9 volt battery and connect it. Now you can see that positive wire will connect to the positive end of the circuit and negative end will connect with negative. Now our circuit is completed. When you push the switch, the LED will on. Here you can see the LED is on. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe and share it.